So I just got done a crazy busy weekend and I didn't have any time to build or benchmark anything, so I asked you guys over on the YouTube community tab for some Q&A questions. So today I'm gonna answer them so I can create a very quick and easy video to produce. Just being blatantly honest with you guys. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf and yet another Q&A video. Before jumping into this video, I just want to recommend you guys check out the other Q&A videos that I did. I'll have them linked down in the description. I actually broke them up into PC gaming questions, my military career questions, and things like that. But for now, let's get into it. The first question is from Lucky Me, who says, what is your personal PC rig right now? A lot of you I know haven't watched my personal PC rig video. I think it only has like 2,000 views or something, but it is rocking an 8700K, 16 gigabytes of RAM and a GTX 1080 Ti. And in like 12 days or so, it's gonna have a 2080 Ti. So I'm super excited about that. The next question comes from Adam John, and they say, if you're in the military, then I'd like to know your balance of your military life and YouTube channel. A lot of you have actually been asking me about the military. If you don't know, I actually just got out of the military as of like 3 or 4 days ago officially. And I started a new cybersecurity job, which I'm super excited with. I did an entire week last week, that's why I was so busy. And I just had a lot of fun with it. It's gonna be very hard to balance that job and YouTube because I don't get home at night till like 6:30 p.m. But I'm gonna make it happen because I really love you guys and I really wanna take my YouTube channel to the next level. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna balance it yet, but it's gonna be pretty tough. But the military career was great. I did 8 years in the United States Air Force, and I'm glad to be moving on to bigger and better things. The next question comes from The Crack Effects, and they say, update on how the Huawei MateBook D is performing. A lot of you guys have actually been asking on an update on the Huawei MateBook D, which I have right over there. I'm actually using that laptop as my daily driver. I use it every single day. And the only thing that I would change from my original review, which you can watch up there, is the hard drive got slow very quickly. A lot of computers, as you guys probably know, they start to slow down over time, especially if it's a super slow HDD. So I am gonna upgrade to a M.2 SSD in there. There's an open slot in there. Not sure why it didn't come with it, but I'm probably just gonna get like a 120 gigabyte SSD for that, and it's gonna be super fast. And other than that, everything is the exact same from the review. The next question comes from Aether Lion. I don't know. He says, are you good at games? A gamer by any chance? You guys should probably know this, but I'm very bad at games, as you can tell from the weekly download footage that I always do. I would say the 3 best games that I'm good at are Madden, Call of Duty, and Destiny 2. Those are the games that I put the most time into. I've always played Madden, so I would consider myself kind of good at that. Destiny 2, I just really like the multiplayer on that, so I usually score pretty well. And Call of Duty, I've been playing that ever since I was in middle school. So those would be my 3 best games, but I'm pretty bad at gaming in general. And finally, the last question comes from Matthew, who says, what's your Reddit handle? I don't really tell you guys much, but I'm on Reddit every single day as well. It's just at Zach's Tech Turf, spelled exactly how the YouTube channel is spelled. And I usually spend a lot of time in build a PC sales, which that's obviously how I find all those sales that I talk about. I'm always in PC gaming because I like to stay up to date on PC gaming news. And then I'm usually in whatever game I'm currently playing, which can change a lot. Well, those are all the questions for today. I want to thank every single person who asked a question because it allowed me to create a very easy video to produce, which I definitely needed this weekend, trust me on that. But I do want to mention that I have my Discord link down in the description. A lot of the questions that you guys asked, you would have already known if you're in the Discord. I'm on the Discord every single day. You can ask those guys over there. It's definitely the best way to contact me if you have any questions, and you'll learn a lot more about me if you're in there. So that would have answered a lot of your questions. So feel free to join us. We have a lot of fun over there. Well, that wraps up yet another Q&A video. Now feel free to head on over to one of these 2 videos if you haven't seen them yet, and definitely hit that subscribe button because later this week I'm releasing a video of a graphics card comparison video that a lot of you guys have been asking about lately. You don't want to miss that video.